So we got a clean slate on this Sterling flats, what we're gonna do. There's all the crap we pulled out. More of it's in the dumpster. Here's engine cables we're gonna reuse. We're gonna put new ends. Rip this shit out. Trolling motor stuff. Speaker wire, we're gonna replace all that. Here are all the old switches. We can probably save these. I got a good spot for them. There you go, they'll go right in there. So, this is what we got going on. We got this piece here. We're gonna redo this. This is gonna be our layout of all this. And this piece is gonna go right in here. Battery switch is all gonna be up here, accessible, so he has gained access, more space here for a little glove box. So it'll be a lot nicer. And we're gonna zip tie this all up here, clean it up, bring it back to where it needs to be. These boats were never really wired correctly to begin with, so stay tuned, it's gonna look real nice when it's done.